Welcome to the Community Foundation for Southern Arizona's LGBT&S Alliance Fund Applicant Tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with a Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for a grant. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is a page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon. Or the Community Foundation for Southern Arizona also has a link. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site to receive and manage grants, so find the Community Foundation for Southern Arizona and click on Select Program next to their name. They have multiple programs or applications on our site. This listing defaults to all. You can narrow it down by just listing grants and scroll down and find the LGBT&S Alliance Fund and click on Start Draft App next to the name. You're now in the draft application. You can see there are tabs on the left-hand side. These are the different pages you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently, we are on the Introduction and Application Guidelines page. You want to make sure you scroll down and read all of them. When you're done, you can use the arrow to the right to move to the next page. You can use the arrows to move forward or backwards. You can also jump ahead by clicking on the tabs on the left-hand side. If you've entered any information on a page and you use the arrows or the tabs to jump ahead, that information will automatically be saved. But if you're going to be entering a lot of information and being on one page for an extended period of time, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. Any field with a red asterisk means it is required. You cannot submit this application until you fill out all the required fields and upload all the required documents. If there's no red asterisk, it is optional. Moving to the next page is the background and narrative. This page has some text fields. So for example, this one is organization mission statement, and I'm allowed 500 characters. As I type, you can see the character count goes down, letting me know how many characters I have left. Spaces are included as characters. You could cut and paste or copy and paste your answer into these boxes as well from other programs such as Microsoft Word. Some browsers allow you to pull the bottom left-hand side of the box down and make it bigger. We then move to organization documents. So this is a list of the documents that they are sharing with you, and then below is the documents you need to upload. So for example, the 501c3, which is required, can be uploaded by clicking on Upload next to that file type. You get a pop-up box, you click on Browse to search your computer, click on the file, and then you'll click Save, and it'll be loaded, and then when you submit your application, it will be attached. There's a signature and submission page, and then you're going to move to the next page, which is the Preview Check Application page. You can jump to that page by clicking on this icon on any page to see if your application is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and click the arrow to the right, and I have a big red Not Ready for Submission. Clearly, I did not submit all the required documents and I did not fill out all the required fields. There's a table below with the reasons. For example, on the organization information page, my organization name is empty. So I need to click on the link here to get back to the page, or I can click here and go back and correct it. Then when I think I'm ready, I can click the Preview Check Application and come back to this page. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. If I click pause, I can pause out of the application. I can log out in the upper right-hand corner. When I log back in, I have a resume draft application and an exit draft application on my dashboard. If I click resume draft application, I go right back where I left off. If I click exit, I do not lose any work that I've entered. I've just removed that I'm working on the draft. If I did that in error, I just need to click on Start Draft Application, select the Community Foundation for Southern Arizona, and go back into my application. I'm going to click on Resume Draft Application, and again, if I click the arrow to the right Or if I'm all ready, I would have a green Submit Application button. I could click on that and I could submit my application. I will receive an application number on the screen. I will also receive an email confirming my application was successfully submitted. As well, under my Grants tab here, will have a copy of my application that I can review and a button to print it on PDF if I'd like to keep a paper copy. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.